This is the Mophie 4-in-1 wireless charging mat. It's now available. You can pick it up from a variety of places. You can get it, of course, at Mophie's website. You can also go to Best Buy, Target. You can also find it at a lot of your carriers. AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon are all stocking it in their retail stores. So let's take a quick look at what we've got here. Features, you can see it's a 4-in-1, so you have 4 different spots that you can put your wireless devices down to charge. That's your phone, Android phones, the Samsung, LG, any phone that's got the wireless charging. You'll get up to 10 watts of wireless fast charge speed per pad. We'll take a look here in a second. But the nice thing about it is you can kind of customize the way it's laid out to fit your needs. So let's take a look. So the first thing you'll see on it is it's very similar to a lot of Mophie power banks, portable chargers. It's got a little black, where's the little plastic? Take this off. It has a black finish to it. It's a fabric. One of the hallmarks of their products is that they're soft to the touch. It's got a little fabric. I don't know if you can pick that up there, but you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little pads. Flip it over here. It's got like a non-stick or non-slip rubber pad so that if you've got it on your desk, it's not going anywhere. And see here in the box, but you've got your power, and then there's also a USB-A port, so you can plug in if you want to charge a 5th device, so it actually becomes a 5-in-1 with that port. So here you have an adapter for an Apple Watch. If you have one, you can put that on there. You can see on the box a little adapter. Charge your watch off of that. Really anything with the Qi enabled, that's the QI, if you're reading that, will work on that. There's really not much else here in the box. You've got your power cable, which actually looks to be fairly long. That's always nice so that you can tuck this out of the way if you've got a desk or a countertop, something that you're going to share, your location, multiple devices. You want to put it somewhere it's easily accessible. So it looks to be about maybe 4 feet long. So this runs about $150. You can find it now. It's available at a variety of places. We'll have a full review. We'll spend some time with it here and get back in touch with you guys, let you know what we think of it.